What's up guys, Ackeem here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this doorbell right here. As you can basically see, so this is basically a doorbell which includes a video camera inside, which basically work on your front door. If someone come at your front door, you can basically see them through this thing right here, which is really great to have at your front door. So I'm just gonna unbox it, let you guys see basically what's inside and how it basically works. You can basically see smart bell quick start guide. So you basically can go through this guys to give you basically a quick start in how to use this right here. We can also scan this code, take it to a website to show you more. So for this video I'm going to show you guys basically how it basically works. So this is the camera part right here, which includes a button that you can basically press to give you some signal, as you can basically see. Also we have the next part right here, which have a speaker which can go inside the house on it. So looking something like this. Also in the box we have some mount right here, some screw mount. So you basically can screw it up on your door, and we have some mount as well which come with a tape. So with this basically you doesn't have to use any screw if you're gonna mount it up with this right here, which looks something like this. Charging cable, camera right there, button right here you can press. Also look something like this. So we mount over the back, you can basically mount it. There is a pin right here to basically pull it. As you can basically see, so this basically is the mount, this side up, and basically work right here. So the button right here, this basically this is supposed to kind of reset it. And on the bottom right here you can see we have a power button and a memory card slot right here. And basically see right here guys, we have a power button right here, and this can use memory cards. Basically if you want to record anything on this right here with the memory card, you can insert memory card right here, you can power it up, and you can see guys there's a light flashing right there, and it's basically on right now. You can hear that sound. So press that right there, you hear that sound guys, and you hear that doorbell clicking right there. We can connect this to our power supply as well, and this should hear some sound feedback. So if the person is on the outside, you can basically stay inside and hear it anywhere in your home that you want this to have is close to you. And this is how it basically works. Now this basically records. So for to see the recording of this, what you need to do is on the user manual right here, you can scan this code to download it onto the App Store and Google Play Store or App Store if you're using a iPhone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to download the app, and you can basically see the video that this basically capture, as you can see right here. So guys, on the side right here you can see where we can charge this. So this is where we charge it with the USB cable that we got inside package right here. So we can charge it from the side once the top has been removed, and it looks something like this, as you guys can basically see. Okay guys, so this part right here is the doorbell speaker, and this basically have a USB connection that can plug into your USB connection slot power supply. So basically this is what you're going to use inside the house. Basically give the signal from the doorbell right here. Now I'm going to use my power supply right now to hook it up so you guys see basically how it works. So once I connect that, you hear that it basically power up right there. Now on the side right here that I basically showed you earlier, you have one for the ringtone and one for the volume. So basically when you press this right here, it changes the ringtone, as you guys can basically hear. Now guys, once you have scanned the app, it will bring you to the App Store or the Play Store on this app right here. This is home, and basically what you want to do is download the app right here. So I'm going to get that right now. Now once you don't app as complete, what you want to do is open the app. Right now, allow. I'm going to agree and continue. So you can basically skip this one now, or you can just get started. Now basically for this, you need to create an account. So because I'm using this, I'm going to create a new account. Okay guys, so basically I follow the steps to register on this device right here. So what I can basically do, I can basically add a new device now. I can skip that and I can add friends. And what I'm going to do for now, I'm going to add device because I want to connect my device to it right here. So let's add device. Now I'm going to turn on my device right now, ensure that it is on. So press on OK. Now I'm going to turn on the device right here, the doorbell. So my device is basically on right now. So heard the sound, all the lights. I'm going to click on this. Next step. So you're basically searching, allow, and this is the device right here, guys. I'm just going to connect to it. Allow. Now I'm going to put in my password for my internet connection. As you can see, guys, I have now connected successful to my doorbell right here. So what I can basically use, you can see location of where you're using this. So you basically, if you're using more of these, you can basically name it and the location. So I can use it smart doorbell right there, as you can see, as the default name, and I set as my front door. I can click on next if I want to use the settings. And now it basically feeding from my Wi-Fi signal, which is strong. So I'm going to click on next. So it basically show you how to mount it up in the right place right there, as you can basically see. Basically see right there. So basically give you an idea of how you can assemble it on your door. So you can basically turn on alarm or turn off alarm if you want to use that function.
Camera app.
Basically, so I'm going to turn off for now. As you can see, guys, I have it to my adapter right here. So I'm going to plug this now in my power supply. Make sure that it's be connected. So I want to turn this one part up right here. So I'm going to connect it this way. So now I have my right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off Bluetooth on my phone, so ensure that there's no interference with it right here. So I'm just going to turn Bluetooth off my phone right now. So now I can basically power up this device right here. And you can see I'm going to try and connect it now. So you can hear that the doorbell is ringing. So I'm press again. And you can hear some sound in this right here, and it basically light up each time I press this. So now these two devices are basically paired. So there's a pump right here. Now try increase the volume. Right. So now I'm gonna try again. Press. And these two devices right now, guys, basically paired up. So it basically can use on your phone as well, and this right here give you a different sound. So if you're inside house and you want to connect this, it's really great, guys. And this is something that I find interesting, and it's very easy to set up. It doesn't hard to use, and this is basically how you connect it.